Hi students! Let's walk through how to complete and submit exam in the Students portal. It's simple. In the navigation menu, click Exam to open the exam page. On the exam details page, you'll find important information such as the exam title, subject, and marks. You'll also notice the status, which tells you where you stand with the exam. To do, it means the exam has been assigned to you, but you haven't started it yet. Submitted means you've completed and turned it in. Marked means it's been evaluated by your teacher, with marks and feedback provided. It's tagged completed once you've viewed the results already. A missed deadline status appears when an exam is past its due date, and you can no longer submit answers. Now that you know your to-dos, let's take one off the list. Click on the to-do status row to begin answering. It will pull up the exam page. Carefully read each question and provide your response. Be sure to check the point values shown at the top of each question. If it's a multiple choice exam, click the checkbox next to your chosen answer. Once you've answered all the questions, take a moment to double-check your responses, make sure everything looks correct and that you haven't missed any questions. When you're ready, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page to complete the exam. A confirmation message will let you know the exam has been successfully submitted. And that's it! All that's left now is to wait for the teacher's marking. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.